Welcome to ACT Notes Tutorials. My name is Shelley, and I am going to give you a quick tutorial on the Department of Defense Form 254. What is the Department of Defense Form 254? The Department of Defense (DD) Form 254, titled Contract Security Classification Specification, provides a contractor, or a subcontractor, the security requirements, classification guidance, and handling procedures for classified material on a classified contract. Federal Acquisition Regulations requires that a DD Form 254 be incorporated in each classified contract. Also, the National Industrial Security Operating Manual requires that a DD 254 be issued by the government with each request for proposal, or request for quotation. What is the purpose of the DD Form 254? The main purpose of DD Form 254 is for the government to convey security requirements to contractors when contract performance requires access to classified information. The picture on the right is a screenshot of DD Form 254. How do you develop the DD Form 254? The form can be developed by downloading the form, instruction and submission guidance from the ACT Notes webpage. Downloading and reading the instructions is your best bet in understanding how to develop the form properly. When is DD Form 254 reviewed? The DD Form 254 is required to be reviewed every 2 years. The program should conduct this review in coordination with the program manager of the requiring activity and contracting office to ensure that existing security requirements are consistent with the contract requirements. If the review is performed and no changes are required, the program will provide the contracting officer with a copy of the review. The contracting officer will then send to the contractor, in writing, notification that the DD Form 254 remains valid until the next review or a change occurs in the program. If the review is performed and changes are required, the program manager must provide the contracting officer with a revised copy. The contracting officer will then prepare a bilateral modification to the contract incorporating the new DD Form 254. When is DD Form 254 updated? Updates to the form will be completed whenever the security guidance or pertinent information changes, or when a change in mission occurs impacting the contract. This is to ensure security requirements remain current and relevant throughout the contract lifecycle. This includes contractor address changes if they are performing classified work at their facility. How is DD Form 254 submitted? The form is submitted through the National Industrial Security Program Contracts Classification System module of the Procurement Integrated Enterprise Environment. These are electronic submissions and are detailed in the NCCS Implementation Guidance. Visit the ACT Notes webpage for the link to the Procurement Integrated Enterprise Environment website and to download a copy of the implementation guidance. Thanks for finishing this tutorial on DD Form 254. For more information, please visit the webpage. Congratulations on finishing this tutorial and thanks for visiting ACT Notes.